Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bosch washing machine not spinning. Let's dive in. The first solution is to check the load balance. An unbalanced load can prevent the washer from spinning. Distribute laundry evenly in the drum, mixing large and small items to balance the load. Overloading can cause the drum to become unbalanced. Make sure the total load does not exceed the machine's capacity as specified in the user manual. Number second solution is to inspect the drainage system. Ensure the drain hose is not kinked, twisted, or blocked. A clogged hose can prevent water from draining and stop spinning cycle. Locate the filter behind the service flap at the bottom front of the machine. Place a towel underneath to catch water, unscrew the filter, remove debris, or rinse it underwater. Number third solution is to verify the door lock mechanism. A washer wouldn't spin if the door is not properly locked. Listen for a clicking sound when closing the door to ensure it is securely latched. A malfunctioning door latch can prevent the spin cycle from starting. If the latch is damaged or does not lock properly, it may need replacement. Number 4 solution is to examine the drive belt. The drive belt connects the motor to the drum. A worn or broken belt can stop the drum from spinning. If the belt is loose or damaged, it should be replaced by a technician. Number 5 solution is to assess the motor function. If the motor makes unusual noises or the drum doesn't turn during the spin cycle, the motor may be faulty. Seek professional assistance to diagnose and repair the motor. Number 6 solution is to check for error codes. Look for any error code displayed on the control panel. Refer to user manual for codes meaning and follow the suggested solution steps. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.